Okay, so admittedly, I've done a little bit of shopping, and it definitely wouldn't be my bedroom without a bunch of keyboard boxes on the floor, pushed up against the wall. But come on, how was I not going to buy these? I mean, look, it's so cute. And not only that, but they're actually factory lubed, so I don't even have to lube them. So here is a matcha latte up close. Super cute. And you can just tell it's lubed. So if I just pop this bad boy in here, put on a keycap, let's see how these things sound. Oh wow, that's ridiculous to me. It's literally lubed. And that white keyboard is a Bakaneko, so it's super clacky, so let's try it on a KBD67 Lite. Oh yeah, that's nice.